Okay, so I've got this garden project going on. A lot of you on Facebook here know about this. You've seen posts before. But I've been cutting down a bunch of these pines to make room for the garden and greenhouse someday. I just want to give you a real quick glance at what I've been doing here. So it's been a ton of work. All these cut. More pines, lots of pines. Some of these are pretty good size. I got one laying here I still have to cut up. There's some more there. I got to cut those shorter. There's more there, back there. It's a lot of trees, a lot of big trees. It's a lot of work for one guy. And you can see I had my chipper going. I got some huge piles of the sawdust it created, and it's a really cool chipper. I mean, it really made sawdust. There's not big chunks, so I'm going to recycle that. A lot of that's going to go in the garden, in the beds. These stumps, fortunately, all these big stumps, none of them are in the way of the actual garden. The garden will be up here. I'll probably have to get those two out. Those are the only two that'll probably interfere. But what I'm going to do is wait till late summer and I'll burn them out. We'll turn all these into little rocket stoves. It'll take a couple days. Have to probably burn twice, but basically what you do is you drill a hole down through the center here, drill another hole through here, connect them up, and you have a rocket stove. It'll draw air in through the bottom hole and it'll eat its way out from the center. It's pretty cool. And we can do as many of those in one day as we want. Had the burn barrels going every day, basically in conjunction with the chipper. Burn some, chip some. But yeah, that's what we got going on. A lot of work, a lot of satisfaction actually. And I've got a guy, found him on Facebook Marketplace. He wants free firewood. He's already been up here for 4 loads of it. He's coming up to get all the rest of this, so I don't have to deal with it. It's mostly pine, so you wouldn't want to burn that in the house anyways, really. But he uses it for his fire pit. Okay, so I bought this little cutoff wheel for my angle grinder. It's got 3 blades here. It's kind of like a planing disc. It works really good to remove the bark, except that you got to be careful because it will eat into the wood if you're not careful. So you have to go along there with a gentle touch. And another thing, you want to make sure all your knots, all the branches are cut off smooth, because this will grab and yank it out of your hand if you're not careful. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I want to get these posts debarked, and we'll go from there. next thing I want to do is burn off all these little fuzzy extra bits that will hold water. Get them all burned off here. Okay, here's one of my raised beds roughed in using the cedar posts. I notched the ends here all the way around. I tried tacking it together, but I need a stronger drill. My little battery drill isn't strong enough to drive those screws down in there. But anyway, that's what it's going to look like. I'm going to do 4 of these. Basically, I'd be happy if I get 2 of them going for this year, but by the time next year rolls around and we have a full-blown garden and hopefully a greenhouse, we'll have 4 of these. Interior dimensions 4 by 12. So yeah, I'm kind of pre-assembling them up here. I'll take them apart and move them down there. I got some more burn to do. Got a burn ban going on right now. I can't burn before 4 p.m. So I haven't been burning. Usually by 4 p.m., excuse me, I'm burnt out and ready to relax. So I might have to put myself on the swing shift and chill in the morning and work in the evening. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys this. Now I'm going to take this apart and kind of set it aside so I don't use up any of these pieces building the next one. I got some more cedar poles up there I gotta debark and continue on.
Okay, we're getting the beds put together today. We're out here in the garden using these big screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Got some landscape fabric coming today. I'm going to line the insides of these walls here to keep any dirt from seeping through because they don't fit perfectly. Some places have a little gap. So we'll put some fabric there to stop that. And I'm also going to probably dig this down about 6 inches, pull some of this dirt out to make the topsoil deeper. And yep, that's what we got going on. We're going to continue with that today. Also, one of the other projects I got going, I'm clearing off the front down here. I want to make a bigger, wider fire break for the house, and also my flying field's probably going to start here and be going that way. So this will be getting the first part of the flying field cleared out for my RC planes and the fire break. So we're continuing with that as well today. But that's about it for this video. I want to get this out to you. I know it's been a minute since the last video. When we come back, all these beds will be in, and hopefully I'll be getting the fence going. Got everything I need up there to build the fence. So we'll be continuing with that as well. Till then, thanks everybody for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Hope you continue to tune in and comment if you'd like, and we'll see you next time. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.